Let's make art. Part 1. Painting a scene. Some people are jealous of great artists and their work. They want to make beautiful art too. What they don't know is that everyone can make art. There are many different kinds of art, and each artist has his or her own way of making it. 3 types of art are paintings, clay sculptures, and mobiles. Often, artists get ideas for their art from the things they love. This painter loves the outdoors. She likes to go out with her dogs and roam around in nature. She takes her canvas, easel, paints, and brushes wherever she goes. On this partly cloudy day, she is on a sandy beach. There is a blue-gray sky with white clouds. Her dogs are sniffing the grains of sand. The artist sets down her easel in front of the water and begins to paint. She uses blue and gray paint for the sky. She dabs white paint over it for the clouds. For the ocean, she sprays little dots of white paint over the blue-green waves. She has painted a misty day at the beach. As the painter fills in the soft tan sand, she looks over to her dogs. She sees them splashing in the water. They look like 2 wet streaks of gold. She puts them in the painting too. The artist is pleased with her painting. It almost looks real. It is now time to go home and let it dry. Part 2. Making a clay sculpture. Clay is fun to use. Have you seen an animal sculpture that you like? This sculptor spots a bluebird sitting outside his window. He wants to create a clay sculpture of the bird. First, he rolls a large piece of blue clay into a ball. This will be the bird's body. For the bird's head, he rolls a smaller ball of clay and sticks it to the body. With a rolling pin, the sculptor flattens another piece of clay until it's very thin. From this, he cuts out 2 dainty wings and a bright tail. He carves tiny feathers into the wings and tail before adding them to the sides and back of the body. Once the body is done, it's time to make the face. With black clay, the sculptor rolls out 2 tiny eyes. With yellow clay, he cuts out a triangle for a sharp beak. He sticks the eyes and beak to the round head to make the face. Now the sculpture is complete, and the artist has a cute bluebird. Part 3. Making a mobile. Mobiles are pieces of art that dangle and move in the air. Artists use different materials to make their mobiles, and what they use sometimes depends on what they have on hand. This artist makes a mobile out of paper shapes. The first thing she does is draw different shapes on pieces of color paper. Some shapes look like drops of water. Some look like triangles. And some are perfectly round. She cuts out the shapes and punches a hole near the edge of each one. Then she cuts yarn in different lengths and ties a piece of yarn to each shape. With the yarn in different lengths, the shapes won't tangle when they are hung. Now she is ready to attach the pieces of yarn and the shapes to a coat hanger. Finally, the mobile is finished, and she can hang it up. The artist is silent as she hooks the mobile to the ceiling. She works carefully, making sure not to damage any of the shapes. Then, as a gentle breeze blows in through the window, she watches the shapes dance around above her head. So do what these artists do. The next time you want to create art, think about what you like, or see what catches your eye or is lying around, and go make art.